control.
Hey my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a Foxy Eye Makeup trend, so you want to go ahead and start off with the eyebrows. And I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil right here, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and start brushing it first, your eyebrows. And then the dip brow I'm using is by Anastasia, and it's the color medium brown. And what you want to do is, for this eyebrow, you want to make sure that you have it in a straight line, and then like you want to fill it in lightly. So this is how my eyebrows came out. So I'm using this concealer by ColourPop, and I'm using this flat brush to apply the concealer. And then you want to go ahead and start blending it. And then sometimes I like to use this other flat brush that's by Morphe, and I like to apply on top of my eyebrows to make that nice arch. And then I'm gonna use this blending brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna be blending the concealer. And then I'm gonna use this eyebrow gel by NYX, and then I'm gonna apply tape on the corner of my eye to create this foxy eye. And now I'm using this brush by Dose of Colors, and then I'm going to be applying this color here from James Charles. I'm using this light brown color right here, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and apply it on the corner on your eye and flick to create that foxy eye. And then you want to repeat that again and then apply on the lid. And then what I do is I like to apply some glitter, a little bit of glitter there. And then you want to go ahead and use this black shade right here from Jeffree Star, and you want to go ahead and blend it in with this brush right here. And then there you go, there is the foxy eye. Very simple and easy. Then you want to use your pinky and just flick it again. And then the foundation I'm using is by Benefit Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna use this blending brush by Dose of Colors, and you just want to blend all the foundation. And the concealer I'm using is by ColourPop. And then you want to use this brush to blend the concealer. And now we're gonna get into bronzer, and the bronzer that I'm using is by Wet n Wild. And then we're gonna go into powder, and the powder that I'm using is by Airspun. And then you want to use this brush to blend it out. And then the liner that I'm using is by Ardell. And here are my lashes. As y'all can see, this is the full makeup look. And now we're gonna get to highlight, and the highlight that I'm using is by Jeffree Star. I'm just using this shimmer color right here and just making it look popping, you feel me? So yeah, yo, this is like how the makeup turned out. I'm honestly obsessed how it came out. Y'all comment down below what you guys think. And now for lipstick, I'm using this Becca gloss, and it's super bomb. I really love it. And then you want to use this brush to blend it out a bit. And yeah, y'all, I'm done with it. Guys, this is the makeup look. So yeah, I am honestly obsessed how it came out. I did do my hair. I'm pretty obsessed how it came out as well. And y'all, I literally, and y'all, like, look at this highlight. Like, y'all see this highlight? Y'all, like, that is super bomb. That is super pretty. And look at this glossy lip. Like, this is from from Becca, and look how it came out. Like, it's super glowy. I love it. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give a like and comment and share and subscribe and turn post notifications on so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And the post notification shout out goes to Therealsabrina. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for supporting me. I honestly appreciate it so much, and I thank you for giving me so much love, commenting on my videos. I honestly appreciate it, girl. Like, thank you so much. And she does have a YouTube channel, so make sure y'all go ahead and check her out, and make sure you go ahead and get her at 40k subscribers, because she is almost there, y'all. So she deserves it. So I will put it in the link in the description so you guys can check her out. She does you know, clothing hauls and all that stuff. Like, she's amazing. So make sure y'all go ahead and check her out. And yeah, y'all, to get a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe, hit the bell, and comment when done. And to know if you're gonna get a post notification shout outs, if I pin your comment. So if I pin your comment, that means you're gonna be my next post notification shout out for my next video. And if you haven't already, make sure y'all go ahead and follow me on my social medias. It'll be right here on the screen, or you could look in the description. And yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And remember, you are pure, you are perfect, and you are an angel. Love you guys.